if you wanna get glam today, gotta be Liz Rich for sure.
If you have fine flat hair and want to add more volume to your hair, this video is just for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how I use a round brush to add volume to my client's hair. The good news is you don't need a ton of product, you just need the right technique. So let's get into it.
Got me up on a late night, you steady playing on my mind. Oh, I can't get you out my head. Got a feeling I can't fight. There's nothing left but it feels right. I'm feeling you and I won't pretend. I don't wanna say too much, I don't wanna say too much. I just wanna feel your touch. I wanna be closer, babe. I just wanna give you my love. I just wanna give you my love. I just wanna give you my love, my love. Ain't no doubt about it, babe. You should be mine. Through the sun and through the rain, I'll stay by your side. And when seasons change, my love will still remain. 'Cause I got you, I got you. Been down, I stay close. Storm hit, I ain't let go. You the one I don't second guess. Late calls, I be pulling up. Never could I give you up. Got it bad, I must confess. And I don't wanna say too much. I don't wanna say too much. I just wanna feel your touch. I just wanna feel your touch. I just wanna give you my love. I wanna give you my love. I just wanna give you my love, my love, my love, my love. Ain't no doubt about it, babe. You should be mine. Through the sun and through the rain, I'll stay by your side. And when seasons change, my love will still remain. 'Cause I got you, I got you. Ain't no doubt about it, babe. You should be mine. Through the sun and through the rain, I'll stay by your side. And when seasons change, my love will still remain. 'Cause I got you, I got you.
So now that my client's hair is fully dry, I'm going to go in using my curling iron to create some waves. Now because her hair is already smooth from the round brush, we can go directly in using the curling iron. However, she does like me to smooth the roots of her hair, so I'm going to go with my tiny flat iron, but that's completely optional.
So hold yourself tight. One step, two steps, three, and it's over. 5 into 6 again. 7 steps, 8 steps, 9, and I'm older. Trying to figure out where I fit in. So in this life, hold yourself tight. Everything will work out fine. So hold yourself tight. So hold yourself tight. Don't you try to move too fast. So in this life, hold yourself tight. Everything will work out fine. Just hold yourself tight. You need to. Don't you try to move too fast. Just hold yourself tight. Please do. Everything will work out fine. Hold yourself tight. Yeah.
Another day, another break in the promise was always a pattern of mine. It's the way that I learned that the game it was only a matter of time. And I pray that I don't have to pay for it yet, but I'm willing to gamble on a bet. I'm willing to forgive and forget. Say one thing to me and another and swear it's over the best. Cut all the toxic people telling me to give it a rest. I'm not too sensitive, you just don't have a heart. But I continue to enter the ringer while I'm falling apart. It's a habit I wanna break, like a thieving band, and it's on display. And you pull me in, and I can't look away. Nothing matters, it's a pattern. Oh well, didn't mean to do it again, but I wasted my time. What the hell? Am I laughing or crying, or am I tiptoeing the line? So bad, didn't learn to be better and standing up for myself. Just telling people to go themselves. Oh, it's a habit I wanna break, like a thieving band, and it's on display. And you pull me in, and I can't look away. Nothing matters, it's a pattern. Oh, it's a habit I wanna break, like a thieving band, and it's on display. And you pull me in, and I can't look away. Nothing matters, it's a pattern. Will I always be wasting my time? Feels like everyone's wasting my time. Will I get over it? Over the pattern. You don't think it's fair, then get in line. Not waiting to go on a green light. Stop digging for dirt in the coal mine. Just keeping up, just keeping my patterns. Just keeping up, just keeping the pattern. Just keeping up, keeping up. Oh, it's a habit I wanna break, like a thieving band, and it's on display. And you pull me in, and I can't look away. Nothing matters, it's a pattern. Oh, it's a habit I wanna break, like a thieving band, and it's on display. And you pull me in, and I can't look away. Nothing matters, it's a pattern.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on my socials, and I will see you in the next one.